Hello, my name is Cole Seibert, and I have been an agent for just over 2 years now here in Vancouver, and the coaching that I have received has drastically changed my business. The scripts provided and how to use them has given me a massive confidence boost when it comes to reaching out to new clients, which I am now starting to convert. Every day I get tips and proven tactics on how to be a better agent, which really feels like the overall goal of this coaching to make you the best agent that you can possibly be. One of my main struggles was creating content. And now every week I get guidance on what I should be creating, how I should create it, how to make it look professional, and how to make it stand out amongst the millions of other videos and photos and posts that we see every single day. Being able to learn from agents who have had a ton of success in this industry and have one-on-one meetings with them has really given me an in-depth understanding of what it takes to be an agent in a market like Vancouver. If you're looking to step up your business and really go all in, I highly suggest that you sign up for this coaching program.